Next is screen 3. We use this screen 3 for the fourth stage of the star's life cycle, that is for supernova. First, I select screen 3 from the box showing components and rename this screen as supernova from the properties here. Let's type supernova here. Next, select the Stellar Nebula Info 3 label and rename it as SN Info. Also, select Canvas Stellar Nebula 3 and rename it as Canvas SN. Next, select Stage Stellar Nebula 3 and rename it as Stage SN. Next is Sprite Stellar Nebula Type 3. I select this sprite type and rename it to Image SN type. The sprite at the end called Sprite Stellar Nebula 3 is also renamed as Sprite SN. Now we have finished renaming the components of the screen for the supernova stage as well. Next is the last screen, screen 4. We use this screen 4 for the final phase of the star's life cycle, that is for the black hole phase. As before, I select screen 4 from the box indicating components and rename this screen as black hole from the properties here. Let's type black hole here. Next, select the Stellar Nebula Info 4 label and rename it as BH Info. Also, select Canvas Stellar Nebula 4 and rename it as Canvas BH. Next, select Stage Stellar Nebula 4 and rename it as Stage BH. Next is Sprite Stellar Nebula Type 4. I select this sprite type and rename it to Image BH type. The sprite called Stellar Nebula 4 at the end is also renamed as Sprite BH. We rename the components on the screen for the black hole stage as well. Now all the components for the 5 screens have been renamed.